Minsan, sa mga bagay at sa mga uncontrollable situation na meron tayong kinakaharap, minsan ikinukubli na lang natin yung ating pananampalataya sa uncertainty just to find peace. Pero hindi po yon yung pananampalataya na gusto pong ituro ng Panginoon po sa atin. Ang pananampalataya na gusto pong ituro ng Panginoon sa atin ay yung pananampalatayang merong katiyakan. If you declare in the Lord that it would happen, then stand for it. Believe, maniwala. Believe with certainty. And for us, in this church, tayo po ay merong pangarap. Tayo po ay nangangarap. And what faith that we want to teach in this generation is not a faith which stand in mediocrity. Lord, mangyari man po itong pangarap po na yan, praise you, Lord. Pero kung hindi man, purihin ka, Panginoon. Yun ho ba yung pananampalataya na gusto po nating ituro sa henerasyon po ito? Alam niyo po, what we want to teach in this generation is an extraordinary faith. Not just a faith which stands in just enough, but an extraordinary faith that stands in the certainty of God's promises in our lives.